because it creates this effect.
I have to fix a couple things.
What's up guys, welcome to the vlog. Today we're flying to LA to meet one of the best filmmakers that I know about. He is basically an expert in Unreal Engine filmmaking of virtual production. Today we have a couple of surprises. We're going to be going to an insane studio with a big LED screen that you will see how shorts are made, like things like The Mandalorian was filmed. And then we'll also be heading to Xsense, which is a mock-up studio, to see how we can motion capture everything for Unreal Engine. And on top of that, we'll be doing a cool thing like Korean barbecue, Hollywood. My name is Star. I don't want to spoil too much, but let's head there over there. Alright, so the Uber is going to be here in 1 minute. So I'm going to go right now to the parking, get us to the airport.
Said I'm taking big shots, just stop where I'm driven, no pit stops. It's hot, I ain't playing like a 6 spot. Pissed off, thought I
Guys, we just made it to the airport.
Said I'm taking big shots, just stop where I'm driven, no pit stops. It's hot, I ain't playing like a 6 spot. Pissed off, thought I told him this a chip shot. I ain't missing cause you know I'm taking big shots.
Alright guys, we're ready. We are getting onto the plane. 15-minute flight from San Francisco to LA, so it's gonna be cool. And yeah, if you don't know, I'm living right now in San Francisco in Silicon Valley, so I guess that's news for a lot of people. They don't know, they think I'm still in Spain, but I'm not.
Beer. Mind your beer. You're talking find out.
They were saying the craziest shit ever, bro.
That was
Man,
crazy.
That was crazy. That
Crazy.
Here. So now Byron's gonna pick us like in 40 minutes. So let's make some time. This is the GTA airport. Literally GTA, bro. Holy shit. In LA, we just arrived. So now we're gonna be waiting for Byron to come. He's gonna pick us up.
told him pipe down, I don't care what's next, I need it right now.
Alright, so Byron is downstairs.
And I got it numbers going stupid like they dropped out. What they think they doing, I don't know, but we can find out.
Hey Byron, how you doing? Hey, good. This is my camera, Marco. Byron, that's Alright guys, so we're heading right now to the studio. We're gonna be seeing all the big LED screen and all that stuff. So it's CinePacks Studios right there in Hollywood. You know, what better place to be? So let's go ahead and check it out. Another thing that we were also discussing is how you can actually own a gun with 18 years old, but you cannot drink until you're 21. It's like the opposite, right?
You're here. CinePacks. Let's get it. Hey, what up, Josh? How you doing, man? All good?
Yeah, what's up, dude? Let's do it.
Let's get it.
Yeah, and this is
This, guys.
Tiny Tokyo.
Look at the screen.
Yeah.
I could.
Yeah, and our
Oh
LED
my
wall
God.
is on the right side of this, yeah. But yeah, the Tiny Tokyo set is basically like a giant street corner inside, basically. So
Right.
You can either do a night scene, is the easiest implementation type of thing, or you can do a daytime scene kind of thing.
Oh,
you know,
daytime will be hard, right? To.
I mean, you could. People do it, but you know, if you do look at the ceiling push, you're gonna have to comp stuff out and that kind of thing. But yeah.
Hey, how you doing? Do you want some noodles or anything else? Alright guys, so we're right now testing the big screen and we added the sensor on top of the camera. So now start to move, you can see the rest of the screen. Not crazy because it creates this effect and it shows more what is behind the camera from different angles. So I can just go over here
Yeah.
and kind of follows me, and I'm inside of the Unreal Engine. Oh, it's ringing. Hello? What? Okay, let's do it. Guys, we need 1K likes for part 2. So sub right now and like the video.
Yeah, so this is CinePacks Studios. We're starting from our little side entrance here in the vintage bedroom office type thing.
Oh.
We have some like wooden walls, like just like simple bed and desk type thing. We keep this room kind of simple. Then we're moving on to the vintage living room over here.
It's crazy.
Yeah, we have the
Completely different room.
we have all these like vintage furniture and stuff like that. We got the fake fireplace. It's just a TV in there.
Yeah.
Got all these sconces and stuff like that. Another TV. This one's kind of a standalone. Turns on.
It's like Five Nights at Freddy's.
Yeah, everything turns on. I just don't have it on at the moment, or most of it turns on at least. But this is like basically we took our old hacker room at one of our other locations because we switched a bunch of the sets, and we kind of just have anything here. You can kind of just turn whatever you want on. Most of the things have inputs to, like if you have a device that you want to put specifically. And yeah. And,
so this is like a both storage and scene also if you wanted, or only.
Yeah, I mean the only thing that's kind of storage is like this type of stuff. Otherwise everything else is only here because it's for the hacker room type stuff.
Yeah, the hacker stuff.
Yeah.
Okay, it's crazy.
Yeah. And then over here the bar set.
Ooh.
Yeah, we got a bar set right here.
Bar.
We keep it, like the general walls kind of plain enough so that way you can, if you want to set deck kind of thing, we have some people bring some crazy setups in here.
Right.
So yeah, we have the stage there. We have a couple tables and chairs, and then right over here we have the bar set. And then it has a working tap, so if you want to use the tap in there, you can.
Oh, so that works, okay.
Yeah, and then like how you saw with the windows, the other thing that this set has is that, you're good. The other thing that this set has is this right here. So if you take off all of these really quick, then, and then this is the hospital set.
Whoa.
Yeah.
This one is crazy.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure most everything in here turns on. Like that turns on. I don't know how to use any of it, but yeah, like they beep boost.
It's like real then.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, just like unused equipment.
Oh man.
And then we'll come over here. You're laughing, dude.
Guys.
Come on, don't laugh.
Guys, the LA trip. We gotta cancel this. We went to a car with a Lamborghini. Oh man.
He's not gonna make it.
Let's go. Just kidding. We're on set.
On set.
This is our prop house back here. So one of the most important things for virtual production is the physical stuff. As much as I would love to be like, okay, let me show off my skills, let me make everything look as real as possible. It's only gonna look as real as possible if you know how to combine techniques kind of thing. Like shows like Stranger Things, like they use like practical and digital stuff, like mix kind of thing. It's always good to mix things when you can. So we have styrofoam things that I don't know if you noticed on the other sections, but there's a little gap on the LED wall. Some studios have gaps, some don't. In our case, you use these styrofoam hills if you're doing a natural set to kind of get rid of that gap. Throw on the tarp, throw on some dirt, sand, snow. It's kind of hidden behind here. There's like dirt you can kind of see right there. We have rocks. We have some ice stuff. We have like some stuff for some urban things. We have trees over here. And then, all kinds of grasses and logs and all that type of stuff. It's like a little additional rental. It's like maybe like $250 to $350 a set kind of thing. If you need if you're gonna do forest, snow, sand, everything, it's like $500 all in for the props. And then you don't have to rent a truck. You don't have to, we try to keep things as good as possible for indie filmmakers. That way they don't have to spend more time and money at other places. We have if you need specifics, bring specifics, but we have all the essentials you need for a forest, for snow, for desert kind of stuff.
Yeah, insane. I mean, whoa, look also the LED wall from behind. You can see all the chips here. It's like crazy. How many cables would be here? I don't know.
Yeah. I forget how many panels. It's 18 by 7, so 18 wide, 7 tall.
Yeah.
And then yeah, gotta make all of them. Takes up a lot of power.
I imagine.
Yeah.
The power bill is pretty high, I bet.
It's not insane, but yeah, it's pretty high.
Josh, hey, thanks so much for having us over here. What I really love about CinePacks, you guys, is that these guys are creatives themselves. They're not just renting a studio. They are constantly making cool stuff, as you saw in the video, a log and a cool project. They're just having fun, they're just having a great time, and they're very creative. So check them out if you haven't already. And yeah, thanks for having us over here. And Gorka, what did you think of everything you saw? Because this is all brand new for you, right?
Crazy. I mean, everything is brand new for me. I come from the, video game space, so seeing the filmmaking space using Unreal Engine is kind of crazy, and at this scale, it's really insane. So yeah, thank you, Josh and CinePacks for kind of this tour today. It's amazing. You can always check them out here in LA. And I think we should come more for a second part.
Yeah, second part.
Something more. Exactly.
All kinds of movies. All right, guys.
See you.